Hi everyone, my name is Killer, and I just wanted to apologize for the lack of videos that I've been posting. I know I promised you guys monthly 10-minute anime Vine videos, but sadly I couldn't put up with it, and I am so sorry. So for now, we'll be continuing the way anime Vine should be, which is a 4 to 5 anime Vine video. It'll be more easier and less time to be put in a video, because usually you guys wait for a month for a 10-minute video, which is not very worth, or like 3 months and you're waiting for a 4-minute video, which is something I shouldn't be doing, and I really hope I can get back on the grind someday. Another thing I wanted to talk about is that I'll be doing a birthday stream on the August 16th, and I'm not sure what time it will be, but if you want to be there, be alerted by following my Twitch account, link in the description below. And no, I won't be just playing Fortnite. I plan on playing a variety of games like Mario Kart, Breath of the Wild, or a bunch of other games. I plan on playing like a lot of games, so if you want to be there, please be there. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna shut up now, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys later.
All right, we need some tunes, I think.
You know what? I made you a CD.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
That was nice of you.
This is to play when you bring a woman back to your hotel room.
Oh, very thoughtful. A little mix to set the mood. Delightful. Pop that in.
You're gonna like this.
Louder, clearer, and more feeling. How about using some emotion? Big brother, I want you to give me your big, juicy, thick...
Are you serious? You want me to play that for a woman coming to my room?
Yeah, it's practical.
No, that's not how it works.
仕方のない変態ですね。
Hey, Vsauce! Massive legend here.
もっとこの愛のことを知りたい。だから誰にも邪魔させない。何があっても守ってみせるよ。ハッピーシュガーライフを。
He said it! He said it!
はい次。
Not only does Flex Tape's powerful adhesive hold the boat together, but it creates a super strong water completely dry. Yeah, down there!
You should have gone for the head.
「気づいてたんですか？これが素の僕だって君のことは入学式からずっと見てました。私好みな子だなとずっとその柔らかそうな髪はどんなに甘い香りがするのでしょう。
Water. Earth.
You want some memes? You want some high quality videos? Listen to this banger. This is something that I'm working on.
Anna 血みどろの未来なら私は助けて
誰？
You've unlocked a special poem. Would you like to read it?
Thank you!
You sure?
Yeah, alright, I guess.
I'll read it.
Oh boy. I hate this game.
See you on YouTube, bitches!